Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will explain one real-time scenario. In my Excel sheet I have two types of sheets either store 1 and store 2. In store 1 I have it around 1 200 records. In store 2 I have it around 433 records. These sometimes we are getting to the multiple sheets, right? At the time we need to load to the data by using single transformation. In my Altex environment I need to use first I need to use input data tool. I need to build a relationship in between of the my on-premises data. Here I need to select my data is the scenario 3. Here we need to select the import only list of sheets names. For that I clicking here. I need to run this workflow. Here we can able to see store 1 and store 2 information. After that we need to options developer transformation. We need to use dynamic input transformation. By using the input transformation we can able to load the multiple sheets at a time. In my scenario I have it two types of sheets, store 1 and store 2. In my alt text environment here I need to select the field name as a sheet name. After that I need to run this workflow. I need to see how data is coming. Here now I am getting 631 records. This is the my second case. I have a two data sets of the XLX file. Sometimes we are getting to the more Excel files also. At the time we need to load the data by using enumerators like data XLS enumerators. For that one we need to create another workflow by using directory repository transformation. We need to select the folder path. In this current folder here we need to pass that item enumerator. Now I have it dot xlx xlsx is the my item enumerator. Now I am running this workflow. I need to see how data is coming. Now I am getting here file path and directory file name and short file name and those and all information I am getting. After that I need to load these two files. For that one I need to create one macro. For that one again I need to create another workflow. Here I need to build a relationship. Alt 3 and scenario 4 I need to pick any one type of sheet. I'm picking sheet 1. After that in the interface tab we need to use control parameter. Our file path we are passing to the one type of control path. In this action we need to select that file path. After that we need to create macro output. In this macro output we need to configure interface designer. in the interface designer we need to configure that current macro. Here we have it customize that macro, or else we have it any custom icons also there, we can import that custom icons also. As of now I'm using standard icon. After that we have it output fields is there, like auto configuration by the name. We need to use this option, or else the interactions will be have same output schema, like we have it sometimes some different schema is there, at the time we need to use this option. Okay, now I have it create one macro, and after that I need to save this current workflow. Macro for dynamic input. I need to save this macro. After that coming my workflow, here I need to insert that macro for dynamic input. After the picking the macro, we need to configure that macro, choose that parameter. Now our parameter is the full path of the input repository. Now we need to this macro, we need to see how data is coming by run this current workflow. Now we are getting output. Need to see how many records, total 15 records. We need to go, we need to see in store data scenario 4, I need to see how many records we have it. In my store one record data I have 10 records excluding column headers. Here I have it 5 records, total 15 records. I am getting my exact output.